clean everything up. Do you like it or not?
Mm-hmm.
It's clean, huh?
Very nice. Ho, ho, ho. VTSV Auto, what's going on, guys? You see the cap. You know what time it is. It's Christmas time, guys. And we got a VTSV Auto project review for you. This is a 2015 BMW 535i twin turbo M series. You can see the sports package on it as well. If you followed along with the video, you do know we just put a fresh paint job on it. We found out the hassles, including this headlight. It's a brand new OEM headlight. For those BMW owners, you know that this is a $3,000 headlight that had to be programmed by BMW. So I just wanted everything done right. I bought the OEM headlight. I got it programmed by BMW because when I sell something to somebody, I want to make sure that they know it's 100% straight, which is why we put a fresh paint job on it as well. So the car runs amazing. You know, if you want to buy your baby mama a car, or your wife a car, or your daughter a car, whoever need a car right now, Christmas time, we got a good one in here. The maintenance is up to date to April of 2023, so you don't need any oil changes or anything. The car is beautiful, it's ready to go. With the new paint job, the headlight, the car ready to go. We asking $25,000. If you guys are interested or know somebody that need a car, let them know to get at me. You can either email me or contact the number that we'll have listed. So right and ready for Christmas time, 535i, brand new paint job. You know we don't play no games when it comes to cars as far as the detail that we go into it. Everything's gonna be done right. You're gonna know we're gonna do it professional, and it's gonna be ready to go for years to come. So we got a nice car ready for sale. Let us know if you need me. Keep in touch, VTSV Auto. We're gonna have some cars like this coming in the future. We're gonna start buying newer model cars, fixing them, and you know, put a nice little touch up on it and have it ready. So this is our first one. Let us know. Anybody need one? VTSV Auto. Let's go, baby. Real quick, guys, before we let you go, we know we told you about the BMW, but we also let you know we got a couple sets of QA1 to 4 big wheel kits in stock, ready to go for Christmas. For those guys that want to get the full suspension kit, you know, you've seen our video, we've seen the integrity of the kit that goes into it. We got a couple sets in stock as well. They won't last, so get at me. Let me know if you guys need the suspension stuff. We do have them in stock. The full kits, front, rear sway bar, up and lower control arms, you know, everything that's needed to put them on is ready to go, and we can get it installed for you here at VTSV Auto. Right on time for Christmas, guys. Let's go, man. VTSV Auto, let's go. Happy, Merry, New Year's, Christmas. Let's do it all. Come get it all. It's going to be a New Year's gift for you, a Christmas gift. We got all of it in stock, man. Let's go.